Look at it.
Waves.
No.
Not just waves.
The polygraph
Sound
machine
wave.
that they use when they.
Yeah, yeah.
The what? Sound
You
waves.
know, like,
Roller.
you know when you watch true crime shows, they're like, let's use a lie
The lie
detector.
detector.
That's what
Oh,
it is.
okay.
Yes.
Your heartbeat.
Yes, actually, those are usually tangent graphs.
Yeah.
Your heartbeat is a tangent graph.
Because they go kind of thing.
Does it look like something from biology?
DNA.
DNA, yeah. DNA is built off of sine and cosine curves, double helixes.
None of that altered in my brain. I don't remember all my
I
biology.
don't remember
Do
biology.
you remember what a DNA helix looks like, where they overlap each
I
other
know
like
what
that?
it looks like. It's just like
That
the
one
actual.
remember,
I had
I
biology
feel like if you
online.
show me.
It almost like they're twisting
Oh,
around
yeah.
each other.
It's like the spiral thing.
That's what this would look like if it
Like
was
a ladder.
three-dimensional.
It's like the,
Like the
All right, so now we're getting to the point where we're gonna work on homework. There's gonna be 5 problems, and Ms. Dahlstrom's gonna do the first one with you to show you, because I know you guys. I know you really well, and I know that you're gonna go overboard on this assignment, which is why we're gonna do the first one with you to show you how little you have to do on these problems, okay?
Okay.
6.3.
601, 13.
Oh, last time.
oh, right.
You all done?
Yeah, dog.
Okay, thank you.
So there's,
Oh, that.
thanks, Riley.
Some team over there.
Oh.
They
They
play
would just do this one?
Wisconsin teams.
Yes, but we do have to, we're gonna just show them like what the expectation is of that.
Oh, okay.
In fact, I really hope you're not using your calculator to figure out what these look like.
I mean, you can double check your answer on the
That
calculator.
is very true.
I guess I should give you the homework assignment before I go into what the first problem is, right? So we're gonna be on page 601, numbers 13, and then 14 through 20 evens. And we're gonna do 13 together.
I would strongly suggest that you take your graphs, look up, and make it like this, so that you have like a nice little,
More rectangular.
yeah.
That's a really good idea.
I'm leaving that there.
That's like right after you get out.
Someone still got that white.
Okay, problem 13 gives us the equation y equals 2 cosine x. And it asks us to graph the function over the interval from negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi.
And we're gonna change those directions and make it just one period that you
You
have
just
to
want
graph.
one period?
I think
Alright.
so. As long as there's arrows that imply the rest.
Okay, yeah.
Right
Ignore
now,
what I
I
just
think it
said.
is very doable, but when it gets to like, we're graphing secant graphs and we're moving it left and right and up and down and stretching it, it gets overwhelming.
I'm just making that note for the people online, because they won't know otherwise. Okay. Now, we pretty much did this one in our calculator already. But this is what more rough sketches will look like, which is what you're primarily going to be using. So what's half of a period? No, half of the period from 0 to 2 pi. Yeah. So we're going to put pi in the middle. And we're going to put 2 pi at the end.
My goodness.
And then we're going to be doing half of both of those, which will be pi over 2.
Are all of these graphs gonna have the thing on the side?
What do you mean thing on the side?
Like they're gonna intersect on the left.
All of this assignment, yes.
And this one will be 3 pi over 2.
Just trying to prepare my lines.
So what should my y look like? My y-axis.
0.1 to 1, 0 to 1.
Well, we've got an amplitude of 2, so where should we be? Yeah. And then it should just look like what you just drew. Like about
Nice. Well done. Okay, that.
But make sure you do your arrows because, like she said, we're not doing the 2 periods that they're asking for. And that's it.
So so the only things that we care about on your graph are this. Stop what you're doing and look up. The only things we care about is this. We care about these 5 points. 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi, those 5 points. It will always be those 5 in this assignment, this part of this assignment, but eventually when we're stretching it, those 5 will change. Okay? And then how high and how low it's going. You know how like our really detailed cosine graph has a lot more little marks in here? Please don't do that. Okay? It does not have to be perfect. Everybody good?
Does the homework seem more bearable now?
Yeah, I'm just really bad at
Okay.
drawing curves without dots.
They don't have to look pretty.